everyone. We're going to find the most general antiderivative of the given function, and we're going to check our answer by differentiation. So the first thing we want to do when you have something like this is just go ahead and write this as like 1 divided by t to the 1/2 plus t divided by t to the 1/2 plus t squared divided by t to the 1/2. So when you simplify this, this is going to give you t to the negative 1/2 plus, this is t to the 1 minus 1/2, so that's just going to be t to the 1/2 plus, when you add the subtract this, this is just going to be t squared minus 1/2. That's going to give you t to the 3/2. So now we want to find the most general form of the antiderivative. So what you do is you write down your t, you write negative 1/2 plus 1, which is 2/2, and that equals 1/2. All right, plus, write down your t, 1/2 plus 2/2, that equals 1. That gives you 3/2. Plus, write down your t, and that's going to be 3/2 plus 2/2. So divide that by 5/2. And then you just flip this around. You just bring the 2 up here, 2 up here, 2 up here. So that's going to equal 2 t to the 1/2 plus 2/3 t to the 3/2 plus 2/5 t to the 5/2 plus c. And that would be it. And then if you take the derivative of that, to check it, you would, once you take the derivative of f, derivative of t, you're going to get 1/2 times 2t, and 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2, plus 3/2 times 2/3 t to the 1/2, plus this is going to be 5/2 times 2/5 t, and that's when you subtract 2/3, that's going to be 3/2, and the c goes away. And cleaning that up, you'll get this back. So you're back to your original function. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.